Donald Trump travel boycott. Court rejects organization offer against stay. Washington. The U.S. court has rejected the Justice Department's bid making a request to stop the general choice that incidentally stopped requirement of President Donald Trump's travel prohibition on residents of 7 Muslim-dominant part countries. The Ninth Circuit Court has made a request to document lawful briefs before it settles on a choice. CNN revealed. Document picture of U.S. President Donald Trump. Reuters. Just after 12 p.m. on Sunday, the Justice Department recorded an interest requesting that the court put on hold its general choice that briefly ended implementation of Trump's travel boycott across the country, saying in an emphatic documenting that obstructing the travel boycott hurts people in general and second surmises the president's national security judgment. The fight in court, which now climbs to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, encompasses a Friday administering issued by U.S. District Court Judge James Robart, who ended the usage of a few key arrangements of Trump's official request. Trump's approach restricted outside nationals from 7 Muslim larger part Syria, Iraq, Iran, Libya, Sudan, Somalia, Yemen nations from entering the U.S. for 90 days, suspended all displaced person passage to the U.S. for 120 days, and inconclusively suspended Section 4 Syrian exiles. The administration's crisis movement puts forward a multi-pronged assault on Robart's choice, underlining the president's expansive expert in the migration setting. Robart's administering negates the considered judgment of Congress that the president ought to have the unreviewable specialist to suspend the affirmation of any class of outsiders, the Justice Department wrote in its allure. The office assist contended that the gatherings who documented the claim the lawyers general of Washington state and Minnesota do not have the expert to sue in government court in light of the fact that their affirmed hurts are excessively theoretical. The 3 judges on the Ninth Circuit who will probably hear the case expecting nobody needs to move to one side over any contentions are Judge William Kimby, who was designated by President Jimmy Carter, Richard Clifton, who was selected by George W. Shrub, and Michelle Friedland, a President Barack Obama representative, CNN said. At the point when the president was asked at a function in Florida whether he was sure his organization would win in the interest, Trump answered, "We'll win for the well-being of the nation, we'll win." On Saturday,